Thanks, it's actually amazing here. Yeah, yeah, our cells use it. Different parts of our body.
Michigan Central Station, Detroit, Michigan. Hope you enjoyed it.